Hi students, good evening students. Today one question I am explaining you from the structure of atom lesson. Concept is spectral lines, that means hydrogen spectrum area. As a NEET point of view as well as mains point of view, this question is important. Finding number of spectral lines. Finding number of spectral lines. Find a number of spectral lines when an electron is moving from fifth excited state to ground state. Hydrogen spectral lines, that is, we know that this is the hydrogen spectrum. N is equal to 1, N is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. These are the orbits. Electron is coming from higher energy level to lower energy level. Here the two lines I draw this. Two lines. First line, this is the second line. The electron is coming from higher energy orbits to ground state. That is emission spectrum, we know that. In this question, what is the meaning of the fifth excited state? For suppose electron is present here, it is moving from ground state to next orbit. That means N is equal to 2. That is excitation. That is first excitation. Electron is moving from ground state to third orbit. That is second excited state. So N is equal to 3 means that is second excited state. Electron is moving from ground state to fourth orbit. Electron is moving from ground state to fourth orbit, that is third excited state. In the question, the given fifth excited state. Fifth excited state means which orbit? This is first excited state, second excited state, third excited state, fourth excited state. Here the fifth excited state. Fifth excited state means which orbit? Sixth orbit. So here electron is existing at fifth excited by 2. Number of spectral lines when an electron is moving from higher orbit to ground state. This is the formula. Number of spectral lines. Spectral lines. So here in this formula, what is the N meaning? N indicates higher energy orbit. N indicates higher energy orbit. So what is the higher energy orbit? Fifth excited state means N value is what here? 6. N value is 6. So 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2. 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2. So 6 into 5 by 2. So 30 by 2. Number of spectral lines 15. Number of spectral lines. So if electron is coming from higher energy orbit to ground state, the formula is N into N minus 1 by 2. Here students, one more question. Find a number of spectral lines. Electron is moving from fourth excited state to first excited state. The question. Electron is moving from fourth excited state to first excited state. How to find out? First of all, what is fourth excited state and what is first excited state? You know that N is equal to 1, that is first orbit. N is equal to 2, that is second orbit. N is equal to 3, that is third orbit. N is equal to 4, that is fourth orbit. N is equal to 5, that is fifth orbit. Electron is moving from ground state to second orbit, that is first excited state. Electron is moving from ground state to third orbit, that is second excited state. This is first excited state. Electron is moving from ground state to fourth orbit, that is third excited state. Electron is moving from ground state to fourth orbit, that is fourth excited state. So in this is first excited, second excited, third excited and fourth excited. So here the question is fourth excited state to first excited state. Electron is coming from fourth excited state. This is the fourth excited state. N value is 5. And where it is going? First excited state. First excited state means N value is 2. So electron is coming from here. Electron is coming from fifth orbit to second orbit. That is the meaning of that question actually. Meaning of the question. So here N1 value for finding this. Before the question, electron is moving to ground state, but here electron doesn't move to ground state. Finding number of spectral lines formula. Number of spectral lines. Formula n into n plus 1 by 2 is a formula. Here n indicates here, in this formula n indicates n2 minus n1. So n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. What is the n here? What is the n1? What is the n2? n1 indicates lower energy orbit. Lower energy orbit. n2 indicates higher energy orbit. Higher energy orbit. So in this question, what is the lower energy orbit? What is the higher energy orbit? Here the lower energy orbit is 2. Higher energy orbit is 5. So n1 value here the 2. n2 value here the 5. Lower energy and higher energy. These values substitute in this relation. So n2 value 5. n1 value is 2. So n2 value is 5. n1 value is 2 plus 1 by 2. Now 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 by 2. So 12 by 2, that is 6. So number of spectral lines if electron is coming from 4th excited state to 1st excited state. So remember students, 4th excited state means not 4th orbit. 4th excited state means 5th orbit. 1st excited state means that is 2nd orbit. Both NEET as well as mains point of view, these spectral lines finding formulas are important. This formula as well as this formula. Both the formulas are important finding number of spectral lines. Okay students. Bye students. Tomorrow with another question we'll meet you.